It's Sandra, and today I'm going to do a manicure with a box of night plate, and it is M0514. So I'm going to use this, and you can see I kind of started, I wanted to see what this would look like, and I think that's really cool. And my base is actually a ILNP polish, and it's called Cityscape. And I ended up putting 3 coats of that polish on here to get that opaqueness. So I did the first one, and I'm going to do another one like this so I can show you how I did it. But what I did is you've got to have, or something similar to this M052 plate, so you can do a French manicure. So what I did was I took this and I did this size right here, and I used white polish. I really like black at Halloween, so I just think it looks cool. Okay, give it a scrape, a light scrape. And you want to do a light stamp. Okay, so you want to do it light. You want to scrape it light. You want to, put the polish on there, gob it on there pretty good, scrape light, and then you want to stamp it very light. So now I'm going to put this on here. Hopefully it'll stick because my nails have been drying for a while. I'm going to try to center this as much as possible. Put it on there. Now, usually when I do these, I do 2 coats, but I think that's fine. I got good coverage off that, so I'm not going to do a second coat. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my blood, my dripping blood. I'm going to use this one, and I am using Maniology's red stamping polish, and this is called Cherry Bomb, and this is my favorite Maniology red Cherry Bomb. In fact, I need to order more. B326. Okay, I'll scrape this off. See if I scraped it enough, and I did. Take this. Now the blood is a little bit more narrow than the tip is, but that's okay. You can see it right here where it came up, but it's got the blood all the way through, so that is cool. Okay, so those are those 2. Okay, now what I want to do is I just want to do some white, and I want to do this on here. I thought this was cool. And I think with this, what I want to do is use this up against the nail. And then, oh, here's a bigger one. Let's see which one fits the best with this. Maybe this one. I think the other one may be too big. Let's see how this matches up. Take one of these. I want to put this at the top. Yeah, I could have used the bigger one, so I'm going to use the bigger one on this. This obviously is meant for like your pinky. Let's do the bigger one. All right, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, that fits much better. Okay, so we're going to put this on here. Ooh, that's kind of cool. That. All right. Now on the other two, what I want to do is I want to do another French nail. But what I want to use is the Spiderweb down here. So I want to do white as the tip. And I think when I did the first one, I think I used this one this time, but I think I may have used that one because this one looks a little bit, when you look at the two, this one looks like it's wider. So maybe I used this one for the first one. So let's try this one. You hear the little meowing in the background. That is my daughter's cat, and she's my favorite little kitty. She's a little black cat, and she just is so sweet. And you can hear her meowing every once in a while. Okay, so here we go. Okay, turned out good. Take a nail. Now what I like to do is try and go to the end of the nail, actually go off the nail a little bit because I want it to cover down here. Now the one thing good about this is when you use these, see how I don't have this on the side here? Maybe I did use that one. You can always fill this in. If you stamp just some white off of here, you can always fill it in. So it's not a big deal if you really want it to cover well. Okay, so there's that. Now what I want to do is I want to go back with this one. And I want to do these spider webs. So I want to do that in black again. Because we got a little Spidey there. Okay. White on there? No, okay. I'll take this and put this on here. All right, now this, I want to make sure that the spider comes down on it. So the good thing about this is if I go up into the black, it's not going to show up, which is nice. All right, and then I got one more to do. And I think, I know this is bad, but I think I want to do another Spidey. What else could I do? Is there anything else that you guys would like to see? Because, I mean, this one is going to kind of be like this, is the same as the rest of them. Except for this one. This one's kind of cool. Let's try this one. Okay, so we got some bats, and then let's do this one right here. See what this looks like right here. This one's a little different shape than the other one. So I want to try this one. All right, see what this one looks like. So it definitely goes from side to side. Ooh, that turned out nice too. I like that too. Kind of like a little doily on there. I mean, if I would have had more nails, I would have done more different designs because I think it's really cool. So this plate I was not too impressed with when I originally opened the box, but I think that it is cool. I do like the dripping blood, and let's see if we can get this in a little closer, and I do like the spiderweb on here. So let's put some smudge-free top coat on this. And please don't forget that if you do buy anything from Maniology, to please use my discount code. It gives you 10% off, and it gives me a little commission so that I can continue my giveaways. And the code is NS10. Everything always looks better with a little bit of shine on there. I think these turned out cool. And I like the ILNP base. I love that it has glitter on there in the polish. So I didn't have to mess with any glitter. I'm taking this off so that we can probably see it better. Okay, there you go. I really like the way these turned out. And now what I'm going to do is put the thicker top coat on, which is, of course, Glisten and Glow. And it's the shiny one. Okay? I think this looks cool, shiny. I'm getting at the end of the bottle on this one, and that's why it's giving me problems. I hate wasting any of this stuff. Okay. So there you go. Again, this plate is M54. It was from the Box of Night, and it is definitely available on Maniology's website. And I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.